Get ready to be amazed because today we're diving into everything you need to know about Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. This device is already being called a game changer. After you hear what it has to offer, you'll see why it's creating such a buzz. From cutting-edge design to industry-defining features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is here to set new standards. Stick around because what I'm about to reveal will make you rethink what's possible in a smartphone. Let's start with the design. According to the latest leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a sleek, ergonomic build that feels as premium as it looks. Samsung has done away with the sharp edges and embraced a more rounded approach, making it incredibly comfortable to hold. The flat sides and ultra-thin bezels are a designer's dream, giving the phone a futuristic aesthetic that stands out in a crowded market. But that's not all. Flipping the phone over reveals a 4-camera setup, including a cutting-edge periscope lens. This isn't just designed for the sake of beauty, it's functional innovation. The 6.9-inch dynamic 8 2X display is a masterpiece, offering razor-sharp visuals and vibrant colors. Whether you're gaming, binge-watching your favorite shows, or working on the go, the screen delivers an immersive experience like no other. And here's a treat for outdoor users. Samsung has introduced an anti-reflective coating, ensuring you can use your phone comfortably in bright sunlight. Now let's talk performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the most advanced processor to date, promising laptop-grade performance in your pocket. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, this phone is a multitasking powerhouse, handling everything from graphic-intensive games to demanding productivity apps with ease. Samsung has truly pushed the boundaries, giving us a device that's as fast as it is efficient. Of course, we can't discuss a Samsung Ultra phone without mentioning its cameras, and this is where the S25 Ultra truly shines. The 200-megapixel primary sensor captures stunningly detailed photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. The new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera takes your photography to the next level, allowing you to capture breathtaking landscapes in vivid detail. And the periscope lens? It's designed for super telephoto shots that bring distant subjects into clear focus. Selfie lovers, you're not left out. The 12-megapixel front camera ensures your photos and video calls look professional every time. Battery life is another area where the Galaxy S25 Ultra excels. With a robust 5,000 mAh battery, you can power through your day without worrying about running out of juice. And thanks to 45W fast charging, a quick top-up is all you need to keep going. For those who prefer wireless charging, the S25 Ultra supports 15W wireless fast charging, making it as versatile as it is powerful. But wait, there's more! Samsung is doubling down on durability with an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, ensuring the phone can handle life's unexpected moments. The inclusion of stereo speakers delivers an audio experience that's rich and immersive, perfect for music lovers and movie buffs alike. As if all that wasn't enough, Samsung is reportedly offering an exciting pre-order promotion. Early buyers can score a storage upgrade at no extra cost, doubling their capacity from 256 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes. With rumors suggesting no price hike compared to the S24 Ultra, this deal makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra even more appealing. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung is proving once again why it's a leader in smartphone innovation. Whether it's the futuristic design, powerhouse performance, or advanced camera capabilities, this device checks all the boxes. So what do you think of the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you as hyped as we are? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for what's coming next. See you in the next video.